Hi everyone, welcome to day 4 of ARD Countdown series for NABARD Grade A 2025 exam. So I hope you all are enjoying this series. Students, let us first discuss answers of day 3. तो डे 3 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था अ सिस्टम फार्मिंग सिस्टम विच इज मिडवे बिटवीन ट्रेडिशनल एंड कमर्शियल फार्मिंग एंड राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी सेमी कमर्शियल फार्मिंग सिस्टम. So basically in semi commercial farming system we use some of the traditional tools and technique of farming as well as some of the advanced technique which is used in commercial farming. That's why it is known as semi-commercial farming system. Next question was which is a disadvantage of specialized farming system. तो पहले specialized farming system होती क्या है? It is a farming system where we are growing only 1 to 2 crops and the farmer is specialized in growing such crop. Like for example sugarcane farmers, they are specialized in growing sugarcane. अब इसका disadvantage क्या हो सकता है students? The answer will be option C, which is greater risk if single crop fail. If a farmer heavily depends on 1 or 2 crops, so अगर एक crop भी fail होती है तो that will lead to the huge loss to the farmer, right? Next question is which among the following is cultivated to conserve soil moisture? तो students right answer for this question will be option A, mulch crop. देखो mulch क्या होती है? Anything that is used to conserve soil moisture. And there are some crops which can be grown to conserve soil moisture. ये crops क्या करती हैं? These are fast growing crops and the foliage of these crop cover the soil surface completely, hence preventing moisture evaporation from soil. Right? Answer will be mulch crop. I hope it is clear. Now let's move on to the questions of day 4. First question of day 4 is dryland agriculture in region with less than 750 mm rainfall is termed as. Okay, very important, have been asked in your examination also. Next question is a farmer in Rajasthan adopts dryland farming. Which crop choice will be the most suitable? Now you have to learn, you have to understand what kind of crop can be grown in dryland farming, right? So options are sugarcane, paddy, bajra, banana and jute. Next question is why is mixed farming considered more resilient than monocropping? So all these were your questions of day 4. Do let me know answer in the comment section. Thank you so much.